Dictation number 156. We ready? Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, labor is normally divided into two large categories. Full stop. One is called organized and the other is called unorganized. Full stop. But I do think that there are two other categories, but one is not sure whether they would fall under either of these two. Full stop. One of them is bounded labor and the other is child labor. Full stop. My honorable friend mentioned very categorically the problem of child labor and that the law that children below 14 years should not work has become irrelevant, especially in match industry which flourishes in my state in Sivakasi and in BD industry, because the children have become wage earners who contribute to the overall income of the family, and parents do feel that banning them from employment is not fair. Full stop. But what is unfortunate is that even though the law does exist on record, but when it comes to children and their employment and their future, the state seems to hesitate to vacillate. I have found that many a time inspections have taken place and inspectors have come back and given reports that there are no children below 14 working, when it is obvious that more than 80% of those who are working in certain industries happen to be below 14 years, because it is understood between the parents and the employer and the inspector that it is in everybody's interest that such a report be given. Full stop. It has almost become irrelevant from the point of view of the child. Full stop. I wonder whether you could take up these two arenas with utmost seriousness, the first being child labor and the second being bonded labor. Full stop. I have noticed from your report the figure that you have presented that only 3,000 bonded labor have been rehabilitated. Full stop. Have we really done substantial amount of work in respect of bonded labor? Question mark. A lot of publicity has taken place. Full stop. The Doordarshan has been used very effectively, but when it really comes down to grassroots results, one is shaken to see the figures being almost insignificant. Full stop. I think substantial concentration is required in these two arenas. Full stop. I know there is a lot of contempt in the minds of many in this house for the organized labor. Full stop. There may not be so much from this side, but from the other side I can see many members of this house look upon organized laborers as high wage, island members. Full stop. In other words, many of them think that all our organized laborers are in high wage inlands. Full stop. I think it is very unfair criticism. Full stop. It is true that there is a section of organized labor who get reasonable wage now. Full stop. But if you want to look at it from the point of view of living wage, I would say that it has not been achieved in many cases. Full stop. The organized labor falls into various classes. Full stop. I think the labor minister should catch on to what really the organized labor is. Full stop. You have organized labor in large scale industries and medium scale industries. You have organized labor in service sector and governmental sector, and you have organized labor in small scale industries also, full stop. Unfortunately, they are one of the most exploited among the organized labor, full stop. Many of the small scale industries organized labor get even lesser than the minimum wage announced in that state, and there the inspector who is involved under the Factories Act is openly in collusion with many of these so-called small industries, full stop. In fact, there is a new trend today, full stop. The trend is, why do you put up a major industry of large government is in one area, and why not split up the industry into 5 or 6 departments, question mark. They may be even at the same place but call it as 5 different establishments, full stop. One produces the first stage of the product, the second stage of the product, the third stage of the product, the fourth the finished product, and make investment below rupees 50 lakhs, full stop. Ultimately, the industry may be worth rupees 2 crores or maybe a little less than that, full stop. But then it is a small scale industry and it gets the protection for it, full stop. They are able to exploit, full stop. So it is high time that we brought the law to lift the will on this, because encouragement must go to the genuine small scale industry, full stop. In the name of small scale industry, exploitation of labor is the maximum in the organized sector, full stop. I think it is also relevant to bring to arena, it is not sufficient just to have a national commission on rural labor, full stop. The demand for a central law has been voiced unanimously by all sides, all parties and all groups, it is high time that a central law was brought out and immediate steps taken to consult all concerned who deal with the subject, full stop. It is impossible to organize the unorganized labor, full stop. If the minister is under any illusion, I would like to make it clear that not even 1% of their membership can ever be assigned to the rural agricultural labor, full stop, overall.